Hey everybody, what's up? John asked me to record a live day trading video, so here goes. This is how I made 4 points of profit on the eMini. I'm using the Trade Scalper. I'm using techniques that we teach in the mentorship program. I'll show you a few trades. And the first one here is a long trade. We got a signal with the Trade Scalper to go long. I'm looking to make 1 point of profit on this trade. And there we go, 1 point of profit. First trade using the Trade Scalper. And here I noticed that there's a range forming, so I draw some horizontal lines here. Price can either be contained inside this range or it can break out of this range. It's possible to trade both of those setups. In the first case here, I'm placing a trade believing that the market is going to move up from here and that the support line here will hold. Let's see how it goes. So this trade did not work out. The market broke out of the range here. Over the next couple of candles, the market will test these price levels to see if it's able to move up from here or if it will move down. Based on that, I'm placing a trade to go short. I'm actually reversing my long trade and now I'm short. This is actually a very good example of the market not able to move back inside the range. You see, sometimes old support lines become lines of resistance, so the market is not able to move back inside the range, and that will lead to the market moving downwards, and we're able to profit from that move. So there's another 1 point of profit made with the Trade Scalper, the way we teach it in the mentorship program. And what do we have here? Here is another example of the market trying to move back inside the range. It's not able to. That's a good time to go short, like I do here. This is where I'm looking to take profit. Let's see if I'm able to score yes. That's 1 point of profit. And then the Trade Scalper gave us another signal. This is a short signal I am going to sell short. I'm looking to make 1 point of profit. And now the market is approaching my profit target of 1 point. I'll close out when I reach 1 point of profit. There we go. That's 1 more point of profit. We made a total of 4 points of profit in just a few minutes. If you trade 10 contracts, that's $2,000. If you want to get the Trade Scalper, go to daytradetowin.com. We also offer the mentorship program where you learn techniques like I have shown you here. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.